Good Thursday morning. Cold and windy out there to start off your morning, but if you're here in St. Joe, not a lot of snow out there as of yet. Something we'll be watching closely, but lots of dry air in place. So we'll talk about that, why that's not giving us the snow. But first this morning, we're sitting in the single digits for that feels like temperature. So definitely want to bundle up well as you head out the door. And we do still have our winter weather advisory in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. The greater risk for some snow and ice that we've been seeing over the last few hours is still down towards the south. And that's where we're seeing those counties in pink. This is a winter storm warning. That's a step above what a winter weather advisory usually covers. So let's talk about the radar because it is full this morning. Just doesn't look like it out the door. You can see lots of moisture from the system all the way through parts of Texas, stemming up towards the north. And for us, you can still see lots of snow streaming from parts of Kansas into southern Missouri. And if you wake up and you look at the radar on your phone this morning, you probably think, wow, it's really snowing in St. Joseph. What we're struggling with here is a layer of dry air that's evaporating the snow before it hits the surface. So the snow right on schedule in our area. It's been snowing in the upper layers of the atmosphere since about 1 o'clock this morning, but just not making it down towards the surface, at least here in St. Joe. I am getting reports of snow near Cameron, down towards Plattsburgh into Dearborn. They're covered in snow this morning. And if you are traveling down towards Kansas City, as of 6 o'clock this morning, they already had about 2 inches of snow, and that's going to continue to rack up because it's coming down pretty well there. If we overcome our dry air, I do think we will eventually see some snow, but we have to overcome that dry air, which right now throughout the morning hours, we have not been able to do. So regardless if the snow falls on the ground or not, it's still falling in the upper layers of the atmosphere, and it will push out of the area by about noon. After that, we'll have cloudy skies for the rest of the day. And then we'll start to clear out. We'll get into a little bit of sunshine as we move towards your Friday. So snowfall totals, I've backed them off a little bit because we're just seeing so much dry air. Dusting for most of us. If we overcome the dry air, I think we could see up towards an inch. And we're already getting close to that in the southern part of Buchanan County. It's just a different story here in St. Joe. And then quickly still racking up. I think Kansas City is still on track to get 4 or more inches of some snow. And you can see the models just really haven't been handling that as well. This morning at 7 a.m. almost all the models still expect us to get more than an inch of precipitation. I'm hesitant about that because we just have so much dry air in our place. So it's something we'll be watching closely. I'll keep updated on social media. You can follow us there. 25 today for your high. Regardless if it snows or not, it's going to be cold and it's going to be windy all day today. Wind gusts up to 35 miles an hour. That's going to keep our feels like temperature for most of the day in the single digits. 8 for your low. We'll have clear skies by that time. Still breezy, so probably feeling sub-zero tomorrow morning as you step out the door to start off your Friday, but beautiful by the afternoon. We'll be back up in the 40s, 44 for your high with mostly sunny skies. And here's a look at your 5 to 7 day forecast. I still have the weather alert for today because we have that winter weather advisory until 6. And then we start to dry out and warm up. 58 by your Sunday. We'll start off next week in the 50s.